Take a breakfast. Take a breakfast. Coffee with milk. Take a breakfast. Kamote. Yan po, kamote po yan. Kaya po tayo ng kamote. Isa, sweet potato. Yan, pandesal. Ito pa yung pandesal. Ito po yung pandesal, guys. Breakfast, guys. Tayo na mag-breakfast, guys. Eat your healthy food. Kamote. Kamote. And pandesal with coffee.